Alright guys, today I'll be showing how to use direct selection tool, and also I'll be showing what you can make using direct selection tool. Basically I'm going to use three tools. Those are pen tool, rectangle tool and direct selection tools. Also I would like to inform you that if this is the first time you're coming to my channel, please make sure to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Also I would like to inform you that please go through the other videos where I have mentioned, explained rectangle tool and pen tool step by step. All right, so I'll be choosing rectangle tool first. Right click and I'll choose rectangle tool. Now I'll just simply create a rectangle. Now I'll be selecting direct selection tool, as you can see over here. Done. Now you can see the widgets over here. I'll be selecting these two widgets. Okay, and I'm gonna click on this widget and drag, as I just wanna make a ball. Okay, now I'm gonna make it shorter. Yep. And now I'm gonna do one thing. I'm gonna make the stroke a little bit bolder. Okay. Okay, so I'll keep it as 30. Yep. And I'll change the color. Okay, dark blue. Now I'm gonna choose paint tool. To omit this, as I've mentioned earlier or mentioned in the previous video, you need to click on escape. Okay, now I need to make a stick. So I'll click on rectangle tool. Okay. So I need to keep the stroke as 1 point for this and make it as black. Okay, so I'll click on selection tool. Direct selection tool. So you can see four widgets over here. So we need to select the whole tool, the whole rectangle, and click and drag. See, to fill the color with black. Now you can see the rotate sign. You can rotate a bit, and you can simply place it here. Okay, so I'll click on this. I'll now click on the stick. Okay, right click on it, arrange, send to back. Okay, now I'll select pen tool. Now I'll be choosing ellipse tool. I'll just make a plate type of thing. Alright, so now select all the icons and images that you have created. Right click and click on group. So it has been grouped. Now you can move it to anywhere. That's all. So done. It's a kind of logo thing. That's all from my end for today. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Also, I'd like to add that I'll be uploading new videos on every weekends, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.